guys, KJ Tech here. I have a Samsung Galaxy A15 5G with a broken screen. Let's fix it. Take your SIM card tool and remove the SIM card. Just like that. Remove the back cover using a heating pad. Take your pry tool and remove the back cover. Let's remove the screws from the middle frame. Get your pry tool and let's remove the middle frame. Pry tool and let's remove the fingerprint paper. Just like that. We have to transfer all the parts from the old screen to the new screen. So let's start with the battery. So take your plastic pry tool and just remove the paper. Gently, just like that. Let's remove the screws from the motherboard. Let's remove the main cable from the motherboard. Let's remove the battery. Get your pry tool and gently remove the motherboard. Get the ear speaker.
Now let's reverse the process. Let's insert our ear speaker. Install the motherboard. Make sure you line up your red and blue cable. Goes right here in this slot. Be gentle. Just like that. Alright, we're going to install our screws for the motherboard. They are the black ones. One at the top, don't screw too tight, and one down at the bottom. Just like that. Make sure everything is secure. Alright, lay down your cable gently. Okay. Now let's insert the battery. Gentle. Let's press it down. And we're going to connect the cable. Now connect the main cable. I already connected the bottom, so I'm going to go up here to the top and snap it gently, just like that. Let's install the metal frame. First, we're going to connect the cable. Now let's power it on to test the digitizer before we screw the frame. Yay! We did it! Yay! Insert the SIM card. And install all of the screws. Put a little adhesive on the back cover so we can install it back to the frame. Just a little bit. Make sure you have your gloves on. Do not want this to get on your hands. Alright, now let's put the back cover on gently. Just snap it down. Just like that. Alright, and let it sit for about 30 minutes until the adhesive sticks firmly together with the frame.
The before and after. If your phone is looking like this, report to KJ's computer support group ASAP. If you enjoy this video, be sure to like, subscribe, comment, and hit the notification bell for more videos. See you next time. Bye!